I'm Robert Garfolo with Millennium Torque and Tensioning, and today we're going to be talking about the MTA 2-30, or our battery tool. What you see here is how the tool arrives on site to your location. It comes with the tool itself, depending on what size you wanted or torque value that you needed. It comes with one charging port, a battery that is already on the unit, and a secondary battery that is in here wrapped in plastic. On the sides of these batteries, you'll see how much power is left in the unit with these 4 lights right here. Simply press the button, and if you don't see the light come up, or if it's down to 1 bar, you know to put it on your charging port. So some of the key features on why we like this particular product is because when we were testing multiple different versions of a battery tool, we had to think about what the elements are going to be like when you're out there. Whether it be a hot day, or especially in the wintertime when it's very cold, it can be hard to do tactile things. So that's why we like this particular unit. On here is how you control the actual battery tool. There are 4 gears, gear 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are also 15 speeds on this control unit. So based on what gear and speed you're in, it's going to show you what the torque value is. And we'll look at the torque chart right now. So as you can see, the torque chart is broken down into a grid of 4 gears and then the 15 settings. 4 gears up here on top, 15 settings run along this side. What's also fantastic about the way this is structured is, if you notice, let's say your final pass needs to be 2,352, which is speed 11. If you move back to the different gears, you notice that each one of those gear sets is what your first, second, third, and fourth final pass is going to be. So if your final pass is going to be 2,352, you would simply take the tool, put it in to gear 11. As you can see, you're going to start on the 4th gear, your fastest gear, and work your way to 1st gear with each pass. Another feature we really like about this tool is the gear settings are all analog. So you're not running into any type of technical issues with a digital platform like some of our competitors who have a screen and buttons. It's very difficult to push those buttons when you have gloves on, when it's cold out, and also whenever it's hot out, you're wet because of all the sweat. We like this system because it's easily be able to be bumped, and you won't have an issue of breaking the screen and now you have a costly repair. Now moving into the demonstration portion of this tool, what we have here is one of our test stands that we could take to any of your facilities to show you any of our equipment on. It's very important to have the proper PPE, so you need to have safety glasses when using the equipment and also gloves. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply torque to the test stand. The reaction point is going to be off of this nut, okay? And what you're going to see is you're going to see the way the tool automatically backs off of pressure once you've put the torque value you've put on there based on the setting you've put up on the top. You heard the audible beep, and as you can see, the tool is loose. You can easily pull it out of the socket. Another point to also bring up, you see this light flashing. The tool will put out the torque value that you told it to based on the gearbox setting. However, if the battery is running low, the light will flash to indicate to you that it's time to change and put a brand new battery in. A few notable pieces of information about this tool: the battery charge time is under 40 minutes. There is an additional adapter that you can get to charge the battery in your truck if you don't have access to a wall outlet. And we can custom make any reaction arm you need, the same we do with our pneumatic tools. In conclusion, we are a proud master distributor of these German engineered Playrad tools. If you would like a demonstration, a rental, or purchase of this equipment, please please reach out to your local sales representative or call our main number.